Masks have become an essential accessory, not just that they are now a fashion statement. From functional and quirky to the ones that match your outfit, jump in on this trend sustainably by creating a reusable one at home. Here's a fun and easy tutorial to create a pleated mask. For your creation, you will need a fabric which is 7.5 inches in length and 8.5 inches in width. We suggest medium weight cotton fabric for the mask. The lining fabric which is 7.5 inches length and 8.5 inches in width. 2 strips of elastic for the ear loops which are 10.5 inches in length. Elastic must be flat and soft. The pleated mask template which you can download from our website www.ushasew.com. Chalk and thread. Let's get started. Lay the mask fabric on a table, front side up. 8.5 inches is the width and 7.5 inches is the length. Now place the lining fabric over it. The front should face the front. Pin the 2 fabrics together as shown to secure them. Take the pinned fabric to your sewing machine. For this project, we are using the Usha Wonder Stitch sewing machine. Align it to the edge of the presser foot. Set the pattern selector dial to A for a straight stitch. And stitch length to 2.5. Keep the thread tension at 4 and start your stitching from the center of the length of the right side. Keep going till the edge. When you reach the edge, pivot the fabric as shown by not removing the needle from the fabric. This will ensure that we have one continuous stitch across the mask. When you reach the side we started on, continue stitching till there is only a 2-inch gap between your current stitch and the initial stitch. Cut the excess thread and remove the pins. Now use the 2-inch gap to turn the fabric inside out as shown. While turning, ensure that you turn the edges out seamlessly by using your fingers to push the fabric. Next, we take the fabric to an ironing board and iron it to give the mask fabric neat edges. Iron specifically on the edges. Once done, place the stitched fabric right side up and keep the mask template over it. Take a chalk and mark the notches from the template onto the fabric. These notches will help you create the pleats. Remove the template and now we fold. Start from the bottom as shown. Pinch the fabric on the notches created and fold it downwards. Pin the crease line. Repeat the same process for the other 2 notches. Pinch, fold, and pin. The fabric should look like this. We now have to stitch the pleats. Align the edge of the mask to the presser foot and start sewing. Keep removing the pins as you go. Cut off the excess thread with the thread cutter and repeat the same process on the other side. With this, you've secured the pleats to the mask and have secured the 2-inch gap. We are almost done. Next step. Take the 2 1/4 width elastic bands measuring 10.5 inches. These will be the ear loops for the mask. Fold the elastic band into half and stitch the midpoint where the bands overlap for about ½ inch. Secure the stitches by doing a reverse stitch with the help of a reverse stitch selector. Repeat the same process with the other elastic band. After your bands are ready, place one band vertically at the edge of the mask, lying backside up. Fold the mask in for about ½ inch in a way that the elastic is locked in. Stitch the end to secure it all in place. Continue stitching across and cut off any excess thread. Do the same on the other side of the mask. Your finished product should look like this. This is a unisex mask. Can be worn by women and men. Wasn't that easy? Now you can create fashionable masks at the drop of a hat to match your every mood. They also make for the perfect gift for your friends and family. Remember to always carry your mask while stepping out and make sure the mask covers your face completely. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let us know other videos you'd like to see in the comments section below.